I was amazed. I was struck by the beauty of this really monumental Buddha. How he's standing there with his hand is a very spiritual position.
ये वो बुद्धा है जो 1909 में खुदाई के जरिए निकला था सहरे बेलोल से। ये फर्स्ट सेंचुरी एडी में बनी थी, यानी आज से तकरीबन 2000 साल पुराने है।
The Buddha was in the Peshawar Museum since more than 80 years. It has never been removed.
I ask, do you think it's possible that we bring the Buddha for an exhibition to Zurich?
If you see it like this, you cannot really realize how massive it is and how difficult and challenging is the transport.
STC organized the meetings, initiated the contacts.
आपको पता हो कि एक मुजस्मा उतारने में तकरीबन हमें 1 हफ्ता लगा।
We dismantled the object here, we cut the walls, we caused a lot of disorder, and it was very difficult to move this object from the museum and to pack it.
But finally, that everybody was so committed and worked so much together, it was also a very good surprise.
I want to thank Pakistan that they give this Buddha out of the country to Switzerland.
So it definitely the ties between Pakistan and Switzerland in a completely unconventional way, I would say.
So it's a message of trust and friendship.
And to show also that in Pakistan there is a very diverse cultural heritage. And for us this is of course a very important step for the development of Pakistan.
And Buddha now is waiting.
People in Switzerland and Zurich should see him.